Hello dear viewers. Today we are going to understand how the business take the decision, okay, and how the business selects the transportable unit actually to deliver some of the goods to the customers. So the transportable unit, which is we call TU in the short form, or which is we call vehicle, okay, transportable unit, trucks, lorry, okay, vessels. So we call these are the transportable units or resources, okay, because whenever we send the goods to the customers, okay, the resource will be selected based on the material, based on the volume, based on the quantity, the type of products. Resource help us in the both the forms. Example, we are managing the products, we are going to load the product inside the warehouse, then resource helps us, okay, the resources they help us to perform the loading process. If in the warehouse we have different kind of processes, deconsolidation, more processes, resource help us, okay. In the same way, business take the decision based on the product, based on the transportable unit, based on the trucks. When we talk about the transport management, so we have the concepts here, freight orders, which is similar as a conceptually, by definition we call here freight orders, but those are the actually orders, okay, like we have the inbound delivery order or outbound delivery order. In the same way, when we talk about to send the goods, for an example, okay, so transportable unit is the main thing, okay. So through the transportable unit we send the goods to the customer, okay. We have the transaction code in the system, in SAP system, /n/ SCWM/TU to create a custom transportable unit. But today I will show you how the resources, how the resource, here I am talking about the trucks. Resource means truck, okay. In this example, how the business they take the decision which truck should be selected. We have the different types of trucks, okay. Big trucks, like small trucks, standard size trucks. But how the business take decision to select this specific particular truck to send the goods to the customer, okay. So here I design one truck, okay. This is the big truck, okay. This, it has a multiple more tires. This is the big truck, long truck. Sometimes on road we see long vehicle, okay. So this is the, in this example I am showing you the exact same truck, okay. So resource, so this truck we consider in the transport management resource, okay. Here I put this resource name is truck, okay. The name could be any, like for an example ZTR, KC, depends. So what is the resource? We have the resources. How business they select? This specific truck will be selected when we are going to send the goods to the customer. How business they will take the decision? I will tell you how. So we have the resource. Conceptually we have the vehicle group, vehicle type. So this type of vehicle, first thing, we call this as the mega high cube trailer, okay. This kind of long trucks which can hold 90 to 100 meter cube volume or weight, okay. This kind of truck. We have another truck, two standard trailers which can hold two standard trailers, 120 to 150 plus meter cube volumes, okay. Volume of the weight of the product, okay. So we are going to send this truck to our customer with the delivery. How system will take the decision? I mentioned here few points to make you understand in a more easiest way. So based on resource, we plan the transportation on the transportable unit to be selected, okay, based on the resource. Okay, if the business knows we have this mega high cube trailer with us, and we have the product, like for an example 100 meter cube volume, this is fine, we will send this product to the customer. More thing matters when we select the transportable unit, especially I am talking about the trucks. Okay, the axle, the size of axle, type of axle, what is the weight can be held by the trucks, lots of things matters. So this is the example. So this is the truck, and maximum volume and weight can be decided by based on the resources. Based on the resource means this truck can hold how much capacity, it depends upon the resource type. This is the resource. So in the warehouse we have workers, okay, cranes, stackers, okay. Nowadays in the automated warehouse we have the robots, okay. Those are the resources of the warehouse. When we come to the transport management systems, transport management side, trucks, workers, okay, those are the resources, okay. All of the, even driver is also one kind of resource we call, okay. So here I put the point, if the capacity will be exceeded, what happens? Suppose I am going to send here, okay, send to the customer like 100 meter cube volume in one truck. So we have the settings configuration in the system, okay. Check my post to the social medias, you will come to know more. In the configurations in my books, in my configuration training, I already explained, and I explain how we do the configuration related to the, if the more than 100 meter cube volume weight would be exceeded, then system will create a new freight order, okay, to load the material or product to the another truck, because freight order contain freight units. Freight unit means handling unit, product, okay. So if this truck will be fulfilled with the 100 meter cube volume, okay, then how the system will automatically create a new freight orders, okay. Check my videos on the social media, follow me. And so that's why I put here freight unit, then system will create this point I put here, okay. So here I am going to, in this truck I am going to send 2 meters of the freight unit, handling unit, 2 meters is the width, size 2 meter. And I will select here mega high cube trailer which can hold 90 to 100 meter cube volume. So truck can hold 90 to 100 meter cube volume, okay. And now come to the next point. Resource can control freight order. Creation means delivery can be planned, decide based on the resource. Means how much volume on the product can be loaded into the truck can be decided on based on the truck or the resource, okay. So business can take the decision to perform the loading process based on the transportable unit, okay. Because business knows we have this, we can have this, we can have this kind of trucks, lorries, depends. So this is the basic example where I explain the two types of different kind of, we have the trucks, mega high cube trailer or standard trucks. Thank you very much guys. I am from the Learn with Mans. Okay, get back to me for supports, training, consultations, okay, career guidance, resume preparations. Okay guys, thank you very much. See you once again.